Hi, my name's JasonMorrell, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to go from ordinary text to multi-level numbered text, but using descriptive numbers rather than digits. So on level 1 here it says chapter 1, and then level 2 onwards is your regular 1.1, 1.1.1 and so on. So how do we do that? Now if you find this video useful, you'll find some downloadable resources in the description below. Let's maximize this window here. Let's highlight the text, go to the multi-level numbered icon, and define new multi-level list. Now on level 1, I'm going to first of all wipe out what's in this box here, the enter formatting for number box, and type the word chapter. Now anything you type, that could be words or punctuation or whatever, appears where you put it. So I'm going to follow that with a space. And to find the descriptive words, we're going to come to the number style for this level box, scroll down a little bit, and you'll find the descriptive numbers. So 1, 2, 3 in words. And that's the key step here. And then you can follow that by a colon or a space or whatever else you want to do there. Now level 2 is dependent on level 1 for its number. So even though it says 1, as in O-N-E, the word, that's actually the same as a digit 1 as far as level 2 is concerned. But there's a little trick to it. So first of all, let's do this. We're going to include the level number from level 1, which currently puts the word in. We're going to type a dot to follow that, and then the number style for this level is 1, 2, 3. Now obviously having the word 1 followed by dot 1 doesn't really work. So here's the thing. Over on the right hand side, and if you don't have this section, make sure you click the More button to expand the dialog. So over on the right hand side there's a tick box called Legal Style Numbering. Now what that does is it converts any other style of numbering you may have into your standard 1, 1.1s, 1.1.1s all the way through. And as you can see, that's fixed up level 2 for us. Now level 3 is kind of similar. So let's choose level 3. Let's wipe out this box here. Now level 3 is dependent on, first of all, level 1, followed by a dot. As you can see, it's put the word 1 in there again. But it's also dependent on level 2, followed by another dot, and then the number style for this level is 1, 2, 3. And again, if we click Legal Style Numbering, you can see that it's converted the word 1 to the digit 1 for level 3 as well. Now normally I'd attach each of these 3 levels to a style here. I'm not going to bother for this example, so let's click OK here. As you can see, everything's currently level 1. So let's take our level 2s here, and I'm just holding down Control here between clicks, and we're going to indent by clicking Tab. Then we take our level 3s, and we press Tab twice. And as you can see, all the numbering is working as it should. On level 1, it's got descriptive numbers, chapter 1, chapter 2 and so on. But on level 2 onwards, it's using standard numbers. So let's just recap the main points again. Under the multi-level numbering icon, under Define New Multi-Level List, for level 1, we chose the number style for this level to be the descriptive numbering rather than the numeric numbering. And then for levels 2 and 3, we built up the multi-level numbering in the conventional way, but normally that gives you the words 1, and the key point there is to tick the legal style numbering, which converts your descriptive words into digits. They're the 2 key points here. So if this video helps you, please share that in the comments below. Always appreciated. See you for the next one.